Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to mute a Google Chrome tab on your computer. So let's start. First open the Google Chrome browser. Here you can see I have opened up our YouTube video. Now if I play the video, the sound will also play. And you can see on the tab. Now to mute a tab, all you have to do is hover on the tab and then right click on your mouse. And if you're using Mac laptop, then you can tap with 2 fingers. Now a drop down will open. And here you will see mute site. Now click on that. And this tab will be muted. Now to unmute the tab, all you have to do is hover on the tab and then right click on your mouse. And then click on unmute site. And that's how you can mute Google Chrome tab very easily. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.